Hi friends, I need a new set of golf shoes and I got these ones. I'm really excited because I love this brand, FootJoy. These are like sneakers, okay? So they are soft and they have these spikes in the bottom. I know there are some spikeless shoes now, but I like them. I like more the spike ones, okay? You can see they are black. The FootJoy logo is kind of gray, and they have this white band in the bottom. They feel great. As you can see, they look nice. The spikes give them a really, really nice grip to the floor. And I like that very much. So I think we are ready for our next golf round. Shall we? They feel pretty nice. Thank you.